Hello friends, today I am going to present about semester 3 paper, the modernist literature. My topic is political reading of the birthday party by Harold Pinter. He was an English playwright known for his so-called comedy of manners, which humorously and cynically depicts people attempt to communicate as they react to an invention of threat of an invention he lives. He is a playwright. He was who achieved international success as one of the most to increase tension, understanding, and critique small talk. Pinter said, "I don't know how music can influence writing, but it has been very important for me. Both jazz and classical music, I play a different. Uh, Then he was born in Hackney, his working class neighborhood in London, East End. He is son of tailor. His parents were both archers, born in England. Printers lived with 26 other boys in a castle on the coast. At the age of 14, he returned to London. Next, I would like to introduction of the play, The Birthday Party. The Birthday Party may have been a theoretical failure in 1958, but 2008 in the world. This play is fully reading of political represented. That's why I'm choosing this Harold Pinter's play, The Birthday Party, political reading. The play is political perspective. Mitchell Bellingston recounts the strong reaction the critic had to early performed of the play birthday party and examine the way that Pinter's play engaged with ideas about manners, memory, and political resistance. The birthday party gives off his abiding obsession a minimalistic technique uh, uh, with political anger in a way that made a profound impact in countries that had experienced oppression. In Birthday Party is full of Pinter's trademarks. It has a large significance. In writing a biography of Pinter, I discovered that he is the poet of memory. It was trifle distinguished. Next, character of the play is a political perspective. Uh, First, Stanley Weber, then Meg Ball. Meg cannot give Stanley a piano. She can only a cheap post-war toy. In the privation of a post-war Britain, only the middle classes had pianos. Then P.T. Ball. Um, uh, P.T. Ball's act of reading newspaper, it also suggests that is hiding himself. Or we can say is weakness and impotence, not able to help Stanley. Then Goldberg and McCann, both are strangers who came to interrogate and intimidate Stanley before taking him away. They are maybe the against of man's existential anxiety. Then Lulu's character, she is symbol of inspiration of an artist. One of the two strangers secured her symbolically represent the torture inflicted on Stanley the artist. She is also symbol of woman, being used to or toy for pleasure for woman. Then Stanley Weber. She represent underdeveloped. He is an artist who had rebelled against the mode of life, which society tries to impose upon its member. But pressure of society make the artist comfort to privilege social manner or and more. Society could not tolerate the free thinking individualistic artist become it so him and threat to its own stability. Stanley, he said, was fighting for his life against force, compounded of the sheet stained structure of century tradition is the that is a major key of the play. Next, organization of play. The Stanley is accused of having betrayed is not specifically identified, although it may be seen to stem for a number of possible sources. These are the source of criminal, religion, metaphysical, and political. Then I took one essay, Art, Truth, and Politics, related in the birthday party. In this essay, he talks about political theater present an entirely different set of problems. Sermonizing has to be avoided at the cost. Objectivity is essential. The character must be allowed to breathe their own air. Uh, and the author cannot confine and constrict them to satisfy his own taste or disposition or prejudice. He must be prepared to approach them from a variety of angles. Then continue this essay. Uh, he was said that in this essay, in my play, the birthday party, I think allow a whole range of options or to tolerate in a dense forest possibility before finally focusing on an act of subjugation. At last, we can say he charged his play with black sense of modernity and modern relationship. Seti takes issue with Edward Abbey. She argues that Pinter is indeed a splendid writer, not because he is good political activist or for his brave political stand against politics. These are the citations I will take out from this. Thank you.
Okay, now see the first citation that you have made. Yeah, the very first citation that you have made. If that work is by George Plimpton, then it should be Plimpton, George.
Okay.
Yes, you know that. So that is a simple error there. Okay. Okay, the questions by the students. Hitiksha and Asha.